here, and we're trying to get this link up and running between here and Henry. Yeah.
There's a water tower. There's a water tower here. This is not.
I see a water tower right here.
There's another. That's the AT&T tower.
Ah.
Or the that tower is
Right here. Okay.
So right next to it is the platform. You can't see it here. The silhouette. You can actually just see
It's
the tower.
probably what it looks like. The tower we want to hit is down in there. You see it when you go down the ice interstate. There's an AT&T tower down there. That's where we want to put our next hop, and then from there, down. No, from there we go down to Pauls Valley.
So this gives us great line of sight to everywhere.